Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today our topic is concept and the use of classification system 1.2. What is classification? The science of placing organisms into categories on basis of their observable characteristics is called classification. Classification is used to group different species. A group of organisms belong to the same species if they can reproduce to produce fertile offsprings. Organisms are classified by evolutionary relationship. These can be found by studying physical characteristics and DNA-based sequences. Classification key. A classification key is a series of questions about the organism's physical characteristics. The characteristics of living organisms used to make classification key have traditionally been based on morphology and anatomy. Morphology means shape of organism and anatomy means structure of organism. Bionomial system. Organisms are named using the bionomial naming system. This system uses their Latin names and consists of two words. The first refers to the organism's genus and second refers to its species. For example, humans are classified as Homo sapiens. DNA sequencing studies. The structure of bones and organs was studied through dissections and organisms were grouped based on similarities. With the advancement of modern sciences and technology, DNA sequencing studies. For example, the Human Project have become possible. This allows DNA for each species to be mapped and compared. Therefore, species with similar ancestors are more easily found as they have a close DNA-based sequence. This is more accurate than comparing physical characteristics and different species living in the same habitat, often similarities, and hence resemble each other. As DNA codes for amino acid sequence in proteins can be studied to find evolutionary relationship. What IGCSE want us to know? In the core part of exam, they want us to state how organisms can be classified into groups. So the answer for this is organisms can be classified into groups by features that they share. They want us to define what is species. A group of organisms that can reproduce to produce fertile offsprings. Define and describe the bionomial system of naming species, an internationally agreed system in which the scientific name of an organism is made up of two parts showing the genus and the species. So, in the supplement part of exam, they want us to explain what do classification system aim. Classification system aim to reflect evolutionary relationships. Explain what is classification traditionally based on. Classification is traditionally being based on the studies of morphology and anatomy. As I told you before, morphology means the shape and anatomy means the structure of organism. Explain what is used for more accurate means of classification. Sequencing of bases in DNA and of amino acid in proteins are used as accurate means of classification. Explain what organisms share with a more recent ancestor compared to a distant ancestor. So this is the important one. They have similar bases sequences compared to the distant ancestors. The one ancestors, those who are far from us, we don't have similar sequences between us, but the ones are near to us, we have some of the features common. So this is the end of this unit. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll post the next unit as soon as possible.